as I'm doing right now. There are changes, but they are temporary. It's me, GameCheck! And today we're talking about hacking online games using tools like Cheat Engine, GameGuardian, HackerBot APK, modding tools, patchers, for PC, Android, iOS. How does it work? How doesn't it work? So as always, all the links are going to be down in the description below. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe to the channel for the freshest, best game jacking content. Let's get right into it. As you can see, this is an online game. And you may have noticed that if you're trying to, for example, modify your money in an online game, as I'm doing right now, there are changes, but they are very temporary, as you can see. And of course, most of you guys will know that this is due to server-side processing, that not all the values are processed on your physical device, your Android, your PC, your iOS device, but on online servers where you cannot modify them, which then results in the display value updating for you, but the actual value on the server staying the same and then getting pushed back to your client, leaving you with no changes whatsoever. However, fret not, there is still a way to cheat in these online games. It's just not as easy as changing the value of your money, as there is no actual legal way to do that, and the people that would be able to actually modify the servers using not legal means, well, let's just say it's not worth going to prison over a few shiny virtual coins. Let's talk about what are the actual strategies of cheating in these online games, and how do you know that it is actually an online game? Well, the second one is pretty easy to figure out. Just turn off all your data and your Wi-Fi, unplug your internet cable. I just disconnected my VPN, and if it's an online game, here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna play the game and it's not going to work because without the internet, the game simply doesn't work. This is an online game. Connect the internet and it works again. If your game works flawlessly without any internet access, it's an offline game. You can modify your money, your gems, everything, using tools like Cheat Engine or GameGuardian or whatever game hacking app you're using. However, let's keep in mind that the most popular games these days, especially on mobile, are going to be online games, as the developers want to make money, so they're going to store their gems and premium currencies on online servers. And if you're gonna use tools like Cheat Engine on those big games, you're gonna get banned automatically every single time. So don't do it. When you use Cheat Engine, when you use GameGuardian, all these apps do make an effort to hide themselves from these online games. The best games out there are still gonna detect you messing with the code and will ban your account forever. Here are the strategies that are going to work for most of you guys for cheating in online games. First, farming bots. This is software that is able to automatically play the game for you, getting you unlimited gems, money, whatever, items, levels, 5-star characters, whatever you want, but it's gonna take time. Exploits are able to get around the limitations of server-side processing in many cases, item duplication, dupes, loot caves, bugged quests and vendors glitches, and of course, game mods that will include stuff like aimbots, wall hacks. On PC, you just have simple hacks that will implement the same mod menus and cheats into your favorite games, especially useful in shooters, of course. But there are many others: damage hacks, 0-second cooldowns, looking through walls, teleporting, speed hacks. The best place to find these kinds of hacks for online games is by googling game hacks, going to hackerbot.net, going to the hack finder tool, entering what kind of cheat you're looking for, and download the cheats from the best providers out there, working undetected, safe to use. So Google HackerBot or game hacks to find the best game hacks for online games, period. As for bots, the easiest way to set them up is to create your own one using a macro recorder, link in description. But overall, cheating in online games is going to be a lot harder than in offline games. That's just the nature of that beast. However, if you are successful, you're going to be one of very few people that actually made it work and got an advantage in an online game. Because of course, the easier it is, the more people are going to do it, the less special you're going to be if you manage. That's how to cheat in online games. Leave a like for the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Game Jacker out!